The silent bond market revolution: why government debt is becoming the most important story in finance. While stock markets often dominate financial headlines, a quieter but potentially more significant transformation is taking place in the global bond market. Governments around the world are borrowing at record levels, investors are demanding higher yields, and central banks are navigating one of the most complex economic environments in decades. Together, these forces are reshaping the market that underpins the entire global financial system. The bond market is often described as the foundation of modern finance. Governments issue bonds to fund public spending, corporations use them to raise capital, and investors rely on them for income and stability. Interest rates on bonds influence everything from mortgage payments and business loans to stock valuations and economic growth. For years, bond markets operated in an environment of exceptionally low interest rates. Following the global financial crisis and the pandemic, central banks purchased large amounts of government debt and kept borrowing costs near historic lows. Investors became accustomed to a world in which money was relatively cheap and financing was widely available. The world has changed dramatically. Inflation surged across many economies during the early 2020s, forcing central banks to raise interest rates aggressively. While inflation has cooled in several countries, rates remain significantly higher than they were during the previous decade. This shift has transformed bond markets and altered the financial landscape for governments, businesses, and consumers. One of the most important consequences in the rising cost of government borrowing is countries that accumulated large amounts of debt during periods of low interest rates are now facing higher refinancing costs. As older bonds mature and must be replaced with new debt carrying higher yields, interest expenses are increasingly rapid. The United States is at the center of this discussion. Federal debt has continued growing while annual budget deficits remain substantial. Investors are closely watching treasury markets because USA government bonds are considered among the most important assets in the global financial system. Europe faces similar challenges. Several countries continue managing significant debt burdens while balancing economic growth, social spending, and defense commitments. Higher interest rates have increased pressure on public finances, forcing policymakers to make difficult choices about future budgets. Japan presents a unique case. The country has one of the highest debt to GDP ratios in the world and has relied heavily on monetary policy support for years. Even modest changes in borrowing costs can have significant implications for government finances and financial markets. Emerging economies face additional complexities. Many governments borrowed extensively during periods of global rates. Rising borrowing costs and stronger currencies in developed markets can make debt repayment more challenging, particularly for countries with obligations denominated in foreign currencies. Investors are paying close attention because government bonds serve as benchmarks for virtually every other asset class. When bond yields rise, borrowing becomes more expensive throughout the economy. Businesses face higher financing costs, consumers pay more for loans, and stock market valuations can come under pressure. The relationship between bonds and stocks has become increasingly important. For years, low bond yields encouraged investors to move capital into equities in search of higher returns. Today, unlikely, higher yields offer a more attractive alternative, leading some investors to reconsider how they allocate assets. This shift is changing investment strategies. Pension funds, insurance companies, and institutional investors are increasing exposure to fixed income assets because Bonds now provide yields that were unavailable for much of the previous decade. As a result, competition for investment capital is intensifying. Corporate borrowers are also adapting. Companies that become accustomed to inexpensive financing must now operate in a more demanding environment. Higher interest expenses can affect profitability, investment decisions, and merger activity. The housing market has felt the effects directly. Mortgage rates are closely tied to bond yields, meaning changes in government debt markets influence home affordability, and high mortgage costs have slowed housing activity in several countries and contributed to affordability challenges for buyers. Banks are navigating the transition as well. Rising yields can improve lending profitability, but they can also create risks. Financial institutions holding large portfolios of older bonds may experience declines in asset values when rates increase. Managing these dynamics has become a key focus for regulators and investors. Central banks remain central to the story. Policymakers must balance competing objectives: controlling inflation, supporting economic growth, maintaining financial stability, and managing expectations in bond markets. Their decisions influence trillions of dollars in investment activity. Market participants are increasingly debating the long-term outlook for interest rates. Some believers rate will gradually decline as inflation moderates. Others argue that structural factors such as government spending, demographic changes, and energy transition investments may keep borrowing costs elevated for years. Demographics are particularly important. Aging populations in many developed economies are increasing demands for healthcare and pension spending. Governments may need to borrow more to meet these obligations, potentially affecting future debt levels and bond issuance. Infrastructure investment is another major factor. Many countries are committing substantial resources to transportation networks, renewable energy projects, digital infrastructure, and industrial development. While these investments may support long-term growth, they also require significant financing. The energy transition itself carries major financial implications. Moving toward cleaner energy systems will require trillions of dollars in capital expenditures globally. Governments, corporations, and investors are all expected to play roles in funding these initiatives. Artificial intelligence may influence bond markets directly as well. If AI significantly improves productivity and economic growth, governments could benefit from stronger tax revenues and improved fiscal positions. However, realizing those gains may take years. Geopolitical tensions add another layer of uncertainty. Defense spending is rising in many regions, creating additional budget pressures. At the same time, trade disputes and regional conflicts can influence inflation, growth, and investor sentiment. Despite these challenges, bond markets continue performing their essential role. Government debt remains one of the safest and most liquid investment categories in the world. During periods of uncertainty, investors often continue seeking the stability provided by high-quality sovereign bonds. Financial innovation is also reshaping the sector. Digital trading platforms, advanced analytics, and artificial intelligence are improving market efficiency and helping investors manage increasingly complex portfolios.